everybody! You might have already learned that all living things need fresh water to survive. Well, just how do elephant seals obtain that water when they spend most of their time in the deep ocean? I'll give you a hint. They aren't coming back on land to look for puddles, streams, and rivers to get their fresh water. Instead, elephant seals get their fresh water from two sources. The first source, and a majority of their water, comes from the food that they're eating, such as squid and fish. But they've also adapted one body part to help them stay hydrated. That body part is their nasal cavity. Elephant seals have adapted their nasal cavities here with something called nasal turbinates. Can you see those bony structures right in there? Those nasal turbinates help elephant seals create water, which then eventually gets absorbed back into their bodies. So just how do they do this? Well, every time an elephant seal comes up to the surface for that breath of air, they'll hang out up on the surface a couple of minutes, anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. That cold air right on the surface of the ocean gets funneled into these nasal turbinates, and there that cold air is warmed up and moisture forms. We call this process condensation. Now, we can practice making moisture in our hands so that we have a better understanding of what exactly is happening inside these nasal turbinates. So, let's make a cup with our hands. We're going to put our fingertips together nice and tight, just like this, and then layer them one over the other so that you have a nice cup. Now we're going to put that cup over our nose and mouth and make a nice tight seal, just like this. As you put your nose or your cup over your nose and mouth, make sure that you have that nice tight seal, and then we're going to breathe into our hands through our mouth 5 times, just like this. You ready? Here we go. Good. Now feel your palms. Are they moist? Yeah. So that is exactly what happens inside that nasal cavity, or those nasal turbinates, in an elephant seal's body.